RV carbon monoxide and propane alarms are vital for safety, but frequent false alarms are a common issue. There are three main reasons for alarms repeatedly going off: ventilation problems, aging sensors, and the need for proper resets. Poor ventilation traps gases, especially in enclosed spaces, potentially triggering the alarm. Sensors degrade over 5 to 7 years, becoming overly sensitive or malfunctioning due to dust or corrosion. Finally, alarms may need a simple reset to clear temporary faults, but ignoring real leaks can be dangerous. As of 2025, ventilation standards require newer RVs to have at least 12 to 15 CFM of fresh air exchange, while older RVs often lack this, making them more prone to false alarms. Remember, these alarms are not just a nuisance, they protect against potential poisoning, fires, or explosions. First, improve ventilation. Ensure cross-ventilation by opening windows and vents, and use exhaust fans to maintain adequate airflow. Experts say ventilation accounts for 70% of CO buildup prevention. Second, replace sensors every 5 to 7 years. Expired sensors can trigger randomly or fail to detect real hazards. Check for end-of-life indicators like chirping. According to expert opinions, 90% agree sensor replacement every 5 years is critical, citing studies where aged sensors fail to detect 20 to 30% of leaks. Finally, try resetting the alarm. Disconnect power, press the reset button for 10 to 20 seconds, then reconnect. Note, resetting propane alarms silences them but doesn't fix leaks. Always inspect for actual hazards first. If problems persist, consider upgrading to a smart alarm that offers remote monitoring and self-testing features for fewer false positives.